What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to channel Anderzen. If you clicked on this video, that means you're trying to find out what the newest sponsor of the C55 is. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, guys, we got a very special box right here, and I'm too excited to wait to open it. So I'm going to open this now, and we'll throw it in the video for the review. All right, so now that we've unpacked everything, let's get a closer look at exactly what we got that came inside of the package from Race IQ Performance. So we got our vinyl decals, got the smaller logos here, and then the full logo. Got a couple of them. We got t-shirt. This thing's soft too. It's a nice t-shirt. Check out the inside. This is hard to do with one hand. We got two of them actually. Nice and clean. I like it. Comfy shirts. Got the Race IQ logo right there on the pocket. And the same thing. And then on the back, let's check it out. Dope. Got the logo, got the website, got the phone number. Definitely go check them out. Everything you need. .us, Race IQ Performance, 833-272-2347. These are dope and super nice shirts actually. Coming from the design world. Yeah, these are really clean shirts. Next level apparel. Yeah, I know of these. These are cool. Very comfy, solid shirts. Got an XL in both. I like my shirts a little bit bigger. Keep it comfy. All right, inside of here, this is definitely going up in the garage. Let me lay this out and then we can see it full. All right, it's a big banner. Hard to get the whole thing in frame, but there you go. You can see Race IQ Performance, authorized dealer, performance to the intelligent power. And same website right there, raceiqperformance.us. Definitely going to find a good place to hang this up. I think we'll have room in the garage. Otherwise, who knows, I might be able to find a spot for it at our place. So, all right, and the most important out of all, this is a Galetto cable. This hooks up to the laptop, which we'll be able to do our tuning with. And we got some good stuff planned. Something that lots of people have talked about on the forums to do, but there hasn't really been any follow through, like in-depth follow through with actually doing that. So if you guys got any ideas of what's coming up for the tuning and where tuning can happen, then you might take a guess right there. But I'm super excited to get this going. Excited to, make sure that the C55 is running as efficiently as possible. And, we're not going for any crazy numbers. It's an NA motor, but really just cleaning things up. And like I said, making it as efficient as possible, making a bit more power where we can, and just seeing where the car is at. So yeah, I'm super pumped to get this going. And last but not least at all, Tony, big shout out from Race IQ, Anthony Lawshe right there. There's his email if you guys need anything performance-wise in the AMG and beyond, other platforms as well. Definitely hit up Tony. So yeah, as you guys can see, got everything right there from Race IQ. You can see the smile on my face. I'm super excited about this. It's an awesome opportunity, and I'm just really excited to get this going. So huge thank you to Race IQ. Huge thank you to Tony at Race IQ and all the team over there. I'm happy to say that I'll be a part of Race IQ for 2021, and the C55 is going to be with them as well. So we'll see what kind of content we can bring you. I got some good things planned, and I look forward to it, and hope you guys are too. Man, I'm pumped right now. I can't even lie. Here's all the stuff we got. Again, big banner, vinyl decals for the car, two of the dope shirts, and the Galetto cable, most importantly. Huge shout out. I cannot say it enough. Thank you to Anthony. Thank you to Race IQ. So excited for this opportunity and so excited to bring you guys the content. What's going on, you guys? You just watched all the unboxing and my reaction to the initial stuff that was sent over from Race IQ. Can't thank them enough again. I'm super excited to see what is going to happen and just how this car performs once it gets a tune on it. We are going to have some dyno days coming up in a few weeks, so be on the lookout for those videos. And yeah, besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all on the next one. Peace.